Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lareeb Farouk, and my presentation topic is about pharmaceutical products, manufacturing processes, latest techniques, side effect, chemistry of materials, intelligent manufacturing techniques involved, etc. Now I would like to discuss abstract. Pharmaceutical industries manufactures different products that are used for the welfare of mankind. These products are medicinal drugs that are designed, developed, and produced for the purpose of preventing, diagnosing, or treating disease. These products undergo rigorous testing and regulation to ensure their safety and quality before they are made available to the public. Pharmaceutical products can come in various forms, including tablet, capsules, injections, creams, ointment, and more. The process of developing pharmaceutical products involve extensive research and development by pharmaceutical companies and researchers. The main purpose of this research department to discovery of new drugs, preclinical testing, clinical trials, regulatory approval, and manufacturing. These research and development department also research on diseases. Once a pharmaceutical product is approved by regulatory authorities, it can be marked and prescribed by healthcare professionals to patients. Now I would like to discuss introduction about this topic. Pharmaceutical products are medicinal drugs or medications that are designed, developed, and produced for the purpose of preventing, diagnosing, or treating disease and medical conditions in human and in some cases animals. Um, these products undergo rigorous testing and regulation to ensure their safety, quality before they are made available to the public. Once a pharmaceutical product is approved by regulatory authorities, it can be marketed and prescribed by healthcare professional to patients. Um, I will explain here forms of pharmaceutical products. Pharmaceutical goods are available in a variety of formats to meet the needs, preferences, and medical conditions of different patients. These formulations are made to provide the body with the active substances in the most practical and efficient manner possible. The following are a few typical types of pharmaceutical products. The first type is tablets. Pharmaceutical goods in the form of solid, flat tablets are frequently shaped like round or ovals. The active the active pharmaceutical chemicals are compressed along with a variety of excipients, binders, fillers, and disintegrants to create them. Tablets come in a variety of sizes, forms, and colors and are easy to take orally. Now, I will explain manufacturing process of tablets. From the first drug formulation to the final tablet production, there are multiple steps in the tablet manufacturing process. An outline of the standard tablet manufacturing process is provided below. The first is drug formulation, um, drug selection and formulation development involved in drug formulation. Now, I would like to discuss drug selection. The active pharmaceutical ingredient API to be utilized in the tablet formulation is identified and chosen by pharmaceutical scientists and researchers. The second one is formulation development. To make a stable and efficient tablet, scientists combine the API active pharmaceutical ingredient with a variety of excipients, fillers, binders, lubricants, and colorants to create a formulation. The second manufacturing process of tablet is granulation, dry granulation or wet granulation. The process of granulating the powder mixture is called granulation. Wet granulation comprises adding a liquid binder to the powder mixture, creating a wet mass, and then drying and sizing the granules. Dry granulation comprises compacting the powder mixture into a large granules without the use of moisture. Third one is blending. To, to guarantee that the API and other excipients are distributed uniformly throughout the granules, a homogeneous mixture is produced. Fourth one is tablet compression. A tablet compression machine receives the blended granules as input. The granules are compressed by the machine into tablets with the required thickness, shape, and size. The granules are held together to form tablets by the compression force. Throughout this process, tablet weight, thickness, and hardness are continuously checked and managed. The fifth one is tablet coating. Certain tablets are coated in order to enhance flavor, look, and stability, or to give medication a controlled or delayed release. Coating machines are used to apply coating materials like polymer onto the tablet. Sixth one is quality control. Among the numerous quality control tests that are carried out to ensure that the tablet fulfill the requirement are those that measure the tablet hardness, resistance to abrasion, disintegration time, dissolution rate, and content uniformity. Samples are collected and inspected to ensure quality and consistency. Next one is packaging. The tablets are packaged in blister packs, bottles, or other appropriate container after passing quality control testing. The right information is labeled, including the drug's name, dosage, expiration date, and usage guidelines. Storage and next step is storage and distribution. To ensure their stability until they are delivered to the final consumers, the packaged tablets are kept in controlled storage environment. Hospital, pharmacies, and other healthcare facilities receive tablets to be given to patients. उसके बाद now I will explain here about latest techniques involved in tablets. Here are some strategies that, as of 2022, were becoming more and more popular in the pharmaceutical sector. The first one, latest technique, is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has been applied to improve the bioavailability and solubility of drugs, to increase overall efficacy and dissolution rates. Tablet formulation can include nano-sized drug particles. Targeted drug delivery is another feature of nanotechnology that makes it possible to administer medication only to the body's afflicted cells or tissues. The next one is co-crystal technology. Co-crystals are formed when an active pharmaceutical ingredient and another molecule combine crystalline to improve the physicochemical characteristics of the API, such as stability and solubility. It has been investigated whether co-crystallization processes can enhance the formulation of poorly soluble medications to make them more appropriate for tablet production. Now, I will explain here chemistry of materials involved in tablets. Tablets are a type of pharmaceutical dosage form made up of material, each of which has a distinct function to guarantee the stability, effectiveness, and manufacturability of the tablet. This is a summary of the common materials chemistry used in tablet formulation. First one is active pharmaceutical ingredient and chemical composition. The main chemical component in the tablet that gives it its therapeutic effect is the API. APIs are selected based on their pharmacological activity against a particular disease or condition. They can be either organic or inorganic compounds. The second chemistry of material involved in this, coating materials. Polymer coating. Tablets can have polymer coating such as hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose or ethyl cellulose applied to them for a variety of functions, including controlled release, taste masking, and moisture and light protection. Next one is excipients. Binders, colorants, and flavoring agents are involved in excipients. First one is binders. Substances known as binders aid in keeping the tablet cohesive. They can be insoluble like cellulose derivatives or soluble like starch and gelatin. Colorants. Tablets are branded and identified with the addition of colorants. They can be synthetic or natural. Flavoring agents to enhance patient compliance and taste of chewable or oral disintegrating tablets. Flavoring agents such as fruit flavors are added. Now, um, I will explain here intelligent manufacturing techniques which are involved in tablets manufacturing. The pharmaceutical industry, including the production of tablets, has undergone a revolution thanks to intelligent manufacturing techniques. These methods improve the productivity, quality, and adaptability of tablet manufacturing by utilizing cutting edge technologies and data analytics. The following are some clever manufacturing strategies used in the production of tablets: automated tablet presses, sensor and controls, real-time monitoring of multiple parameters including hardness, weight and compression force is carried out by tablet presses and are fitted with sensor. These parameters are adjusted automatically to maintain consistent tablet quality. Predictive Second one is predictive maintenance. Condition monitoring, vibration, temperature and other variables are tracked by sensor or on manufacturing equipment. By analyzing these data, predictive maintenance algorithms can anticipate equipment failures and minimize downtime and maintenance expenses. Third one is advanced process control, data analytics. By processing real time data, sophisticated analytics tools can spot trends and patterns. To preserve consistency and quality in the final product, machine learning algorithms anticipate variations and modify process parameters accordingly. Fourth one is cyber physical systems, information technology and physical process integration. CPS facilitate smooth communication between digital and physical manufacturing process components. These integration improve responsiveness and overall efficiency. Now, I would like to discuss other side effects of tablets. First one is allergic reaction. Tablets allergies can cause mild skin rashes or more severe reactions such as breathing difficulties and facial or throat swelling. Headaches. Certain drugs may cause migraines or headaches in people who are sensitive to them. Third one is mood and behavioral change. Some medications may have an effect on mood, causing symptoms such as anxiety, depression, or irritability. Blood pressure and heart effect is the fourth point of side effects. Blood pressure can be affected by tablets, which can result in hypertension or hypotension. In certain instances, they can also result in irregular heartbeat. Other effects are skin reactions, hair loss, organ toxicity. Now, I would like to discuss capsules. One common or oral dosage form used in the pharmaceutical industry is the capsule. Easy swallowing, adaptable formulas, and defense against light, moisture, and air for delicate ingredient are just a few benefits of using capsule. Here are some essential capsule related points. Manufacturing process of capsules. In order to produce the gelatinous shell that contain the active pharmaceutical ingredient or other material, there are multiple steps involved in the manufacturing of capsules. An outline of the standard capsule manufacturing process is provided below. The first point is formulation development. Two points involved in formulation developments: active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients. Active pharmaceutical ingredients, choose which API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, or which APIs combined should be encapsulated. Next one is excipients. Select appropriate excipients like lubricants, binders, and fillers to improve the capsule formulations, flowability, stability, and manufacturability. Um, Second manufacturing process of capsule involved capsule shell production. Gelatin preparation. Gelatin is combined with water and additional ingredient to create a gelatinous solution for use in gelatin capsules. And capsule molding. Capsule molding Using specialized molding machines, the gelatin solution is molded in the two halves of the capsule shell, the cap and the body. Third one is filling process. Weighing and blending step involved weigh the API and excipients precisely in accordance with the formulation. Mix the ingredient well to guarantee even distribution. Capsule filling. The prepared powder blend is filled into the capsule shell by automatic capsule filling machine. The device guarantee consistent filling the precise dosing. Fourth one is capsule sealing. Sealing process. In sealing process involved, the filled capsule are sealed to keep contaminants and spills out. Usually a warm liquid gelatin solution is dipped into the capsule to seal them. The gelatin solidifies as it cools. Fifth step is quality control. In quality control, these steps are involved: weight variation, disintegration testing, and visual inspection. Weight variation to guarantee appropriate dosage. Check the weight consistency of each individual capsule. In disintegration testing, examine capsule to make sure they break down in a given amount of time when exposed to the right kind of media. Visual inspection, look for any flaws in the capsule like cracks or even uneven filling. The sixth step is packaging and labeling. Blistering or blotting. Um, Depending on the final packaging design, place the capsule in blister packs or bottles. In packaging and labeling, the next step is labeling. Put labels on product that have details like the name of the product, the dosage, the expiration date, and the batch number. Fifth step is storage and distribution. In storage, I would like to tell that to preserve the stability of the packed capsule, keep them out of the direct sunlight, heat, and moisture. In distribution, give the capsules to pharmacies, medical centers, or other establishments so that the patient can take them. Now, I would like to discuss latest techniques involved in capsules. First step is 3D technology printing. Customization. The production of personalized capsule through 3D printing enables accurate dosage and customized medication administration. Second one is creative coatings for capsule, modified release. Targeted and sustained release formulations are now possible thanks to advancements in coating technologies, which also improve control over drug release. Third one is enteric sensitive polymer based capsules. Gastrointestinal targeting. To improve the medication absorption and effectiveness, enteric coating capsules made of pH sensitive polymers release their contents in particular gastrointestinal tract region. Now I am going to explain chemistry of materials involved in capsule. The following is a quick summary of the materials chemistry that go into making capsules. Capsule shell, gelatin capsule, and vegetarian capsule. In gelatin capsule chemistry, animal collagen is the source of the protein known as gelatin. Properties offer stability, adaptability, and simple digestion. In order to form capsule, it goes through gelatin. Vegetarian capsule. Chemistry involved in vegetarian capsule. A semi-synthetic polymer derived from cellulose is called hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose or HPMS MC. Properties provides vegetarians with an alternate, transparent, stable, and appropriate for a range of uses. Second one is capsules content. Ingredient active in pharmaceuticals, API chemistry. Depending on the drug, the API structure varies. Properties defines the pharmacological activity and therapeutic effect of the drug. Additives. Chemistry involved in additives, a variety of materials including polymer, cellulose, derivative, and starch. Properties contribute to the capsules in disintegration, compressibility, and physical characteristics. Third one is colorants and other additives. Colorants and flavoring agents involved in this point. Colorants, chemistry and properties. First one is chemistry, synthetic or natural dyes like FT and C. Properties added for visual appeal, branding, and identification. In flavoring agent, chemistry is artificial or natural flavorings. In properties, improve patient compliance and taste better. Now, I would like to discuss intelligent manufacturing techniques. The following are some clever manufacturing methods used in the production of capsule. The first one is automated capsule filling machines. Smart sensor and data analytics involved in automated capsule filling machines. First one is smart sensor. By monitoring and controlling the filling process in real time, capsule filling machine with smart sensors ensure precise dosing and lower error rates. Data analytics. State of the art analytics use real time data to forecast maintenance requirements, maximize machine performance, and increase overall efficiency. Second one is flexible manufacturing system. In flexible manufacturing systems, quick changeover and flexible production scheduling involved. Quick changeover, by enabling quick switching between various capsule size and formulations, intelligent manufacturing system improve flexibility and responsiveness to market demands. Flexible production scheduling, artificial intelligence powered AI powered algorithms optimize production schedules based on demand projections, cutting lead times and enhancing resource efficiency. Third one is predictive maintenance, condition monitoring. Sensors on manufacturing machinery keep an eye on its state, foreseeing possible problems before they become catastrophic. By using predictive maintenance, equipment effectiveness is increased overall and downtime is reduced. Now, I would like to discuss side effects. Side effects of capsules. Um, Capsules affect central nervous system. Sometimes taking capsule can make you tired or have headache. उसके allergy responses, itching, rashes on the skin, and in extreme situations, all are example of allergic system. Skin responses. Sometimes taking capsule can result in skin problems like rashes or increased sensitivity, hair fall. Capsule medications have occasionally been linked to either temporary or permanent hair loss. Now I will explain about syrups. Syrups are sweet, thick liquid formulation in which the active components are suspended or dissolved. Syringes or measuring spoons are typically used to deliver syrups. Um, Manufacturing process of syrup. Procedure and weighing is the first step of manufacturing process of syrup. Selecting ingredient. Select and weigh the ingredient that are required such as water, sweeteners, flavors, colors, preservatives, and active ingredients. Blending and solubility is the second step manufacturing process. Blending and solubility, um, combine ingredients, and dissolution is the are the steps that are involved in blending and solubility. Combine ingredients using a balance of equal parts. Thoroughly mix the wet ingredients. Dissolution, apply heat to the mixture to facilitate the solid components. Dissolution and encourage a consistent consistency. Sterilization and filtration. In filtration, the syrup is filtered to get rid of contaminants and particulates. Sterilization, to ensure the safety of the product. To ensure the safety of the product, heat the syrup to get rid of bacteria and other microorganisms. Next step is preservation, pH modification, and flavoring. Taste and pH adjustment to improve flavor and stability. Add flavoring agents and make pH adjustment. Preservation. Preservatives can be added to syrup to increase its shelf life. Fifth step is labeling, packaging, and quality assurance. Filling and sealing. To avoid cross contamination, fill the syrup filled container and seal them. Labeling. Put labels on products that contain the following important detail: batch number, expiration date, product name, ingredient, and dosage. Quality control. Conduct tests to ensure the syrup meets specification for stability, purity, and safety. This simplified overview highlights the key steps in the syrup manufacturing process, emphasizing ingredient preparation, mixing, sterilization, final process, and quality control measures. Now, I would like to discuss about latest techniques involved in syrups manufacturing. Certainly, the following four brief points summarize some of the most recent methods used in the production of syrup. Continuous manufacturing, continuous flow, and advantage of continuous manufacturing. First is continuous flow. Adoption of continuous manufacturing process for a more streamlined and efficient production of syrup. Advantages: reduced manufacturing time, improved quality control, and enhanced efficiency. Second step involved in latest technique is automation and intelligent sensors. Sensor integration is the use of intelligent sensors to automatically monitor and regulate important parameters. Benefits: better production consistency, decreased human error, and increased precision. Third step is natural ingredient and flavors. Clean label trend, utilization of natural sweeteners and flavor enhancers to align with the consumer preferences for clean labeled and natural products. Benefits: meeting consumer demand for healthier and more natural syrup options. The modernization of syrup manufacturing is facilitated by these advancements, which address a number of issues including product quality, process, efficiency, and alignment with changing consumer preferences. Chemistry of materials involved in syrup. First step is carriers and solvents. Common ingredients. The primary solvent or carrier in syrup formulation is frequently water. Chemical role. Sugar, sweeteners, and other ingredients dissolve in water to form the syrup liquid base. Second step involved in chemistry of material is flavoring agent. Continuous flow. Adoption of continuous manufacturing process for a more streamlined and efficient production of syrup. Advantages: reduced manufacturing time, improved quality control, and enhanced efficiency. Third step is sweeteners. Typical ingredients: high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, or other sweeteners such as sorbitol and stevia. Chemical role: sweeteners increase the syrup's palatability by adding sweetness. Next, one is preservative. Common ingredients: sodium benzoate and benzoic acid are common ingredients. Chemical role: preservative prolong the syrup shelf life by preventing the growth of microorganisms. Fifth one is acidifiers and pH adjusters. Common ingredients: sodium citrate, tartaric acid, and citric acid are common ingredient. Chemical role: acidifiers raise the syrup acidity, enhance its flavor, and stabilize its pH. Now I would like to discuss intelligent manufacturing technique. In order to improve manufacturing efficiency, quality, and control, advanced technologies are integrated into the process through intelligent manufacturing techniques used in the production of syrup. First one is quality control with sensors. Quality control with sensor integration using intelligent sensor to track important variables, although all through the production process like viscosity, pH, and ingredient concentrations. Benefits: improved overall product quality, early deviation detection, and real time quality control. Second step is data analytics and machine learning. Big data analysis. The process of analyzing sizable data sets produced during the manufacturing process by using data analytics tool. Benefits: benefits include enhanced predictive maintenance, process optimization, and data driven decision making. Third one is flexible manufacturing system, modular equipment, and rapid changeovers. The implementation of adaptable and modular manufacturing system that facilitates seamless transition between distinct syrup formulation is crucial. Advantages: benefits include better production flexibility, less downtime, and quicker response to shifting consumer demands. Energy efficient practices. Fourth step is energy efficient practices, energy monitoring system, making use of technologies to keep an eye on and maximize energy use in production. Benefit include less of an adverse effect on the environment, cheaper energy bills, and more sustainability. By incorporating these intelligent manufacturing techniques, syrup producers can improve overall operational efficiency, maintain high product quality, and adapt to dynamic market condition. Benefits. Now I am going to explain about injections. Using a needle and syringe, sterile liquid pharmaceuticals are injected into the body as injections. Injections come in various forms such as intravenous, subcutaneous, and intramuscular. Medications that must be rapidly absorbed, or for patients who are unable to take oral medication, are frequently administered. administered. Now, I would like to explain manufacturing process involved in injections. First one is formulation development. Selecting ingredients. Select and weigh the active pharmaceutical ingredients as well as any additional ingredient that are required, like preservatives and stabilizers. Selecting a solvent. Select an appropriate solvent to dissolve the component and produce an injection solution. Second step is sterilization of component. Filtration and aseptic techniques involved in sterilization of component. Filtration: use filtration technique to eliminate any microbes or particles from the ingredient and the finished product. Aseptic techniques: to avoid contamination during the manufacturing process, strictly adhere to aseptic procedures. Mixing and compounding: mixing the ingredient to make a homogeneous solution. Combine the sterilized ingredient in a controlled setting. Quality control: check for correct concentration and homogeneity in the injection solution by conducting quality control procedure. Fourth one is filling and packaging. Filling: using aseptic method, precisely measure and pour the sterile injection solution into vials or ampoules. Sealing: to preserve sterility, seal the ampoules or vials. Labeling: put label on medication that contain the name of the medication, the dosage, and the expiry date. Fifth one is quality assurance. Sixth one is final sterilization, packaging, and distribution. Regulatory compliance. In regulatory compliance documentation, to ensure regulatory compliance, keep thorough record of the manufacturing process compliance with standard. Verify that the entire procedure complies with legal requirement and good manufacturing practices. Throughout the manufacturing process, maintaining sterility, accurate dosing, and product quality paramount. Now I would like to discuss about latest techniques. First one is smart injection devices. Connected device. The incorporation of sensors and connectivity into the intelligent injection device to enable real-time monitoring. Data gathering allows medical professionals to monitor patient compliance and response to care. Second one is microneedle technology, painless delivery. Injections that are minimally invasive and painless are administered using microneedles, tremendal transdermal patches. Developments in microneedle patches that deliver medication through the skin. Long acting formulation is the third point. Extended release, creating injectable formulation with a long half-life for sustained medical benefits. Decreased frequency, less frequent injections are required, which enhance patient compliance and comfort. Fourth one is nanotechnology in drug delivery. Nanoparticle formulations, using nanoparticle to deliver drugs are more precisely, more effectively, and with fewer side effects. Improved bioavailability, utilizing nanotechnology to improve medication absorption and dispersal. Chemistry of material, depending on the type of injection, intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous, as well as the particular drug being given, the chemistry of the material can change. Nonetheless, the following general material categories and their functions in injection formulation are listed. Active pharmaceutical ingredient. Definition: the chemical that has pharmacological activity and produces desired therapeutic outcome. Chemical role: the pharmacological properties of an API are determined by its chemical structure. Solvents and carrier. Common ingredients: water, saline solution, or other appropriate solvent are common ingredient. Chemical role: dissolve the API and make it easier for an injection ready homogeneous solution to form. Stabilizer. Common ingredients involved in stabilizers such as sugars, proteins, or polymers. Chemical role: helps maintain the stability of the drug, preventing degradation. Um, Fifth step is preservatives. Common ingredients: phenol and benzoyl alcohol. Chemical role: prevent microbiological contamination and prolong multi-dose via vial shelf life. Surfactants. Ingredients involved in surfactants are twine and polysorbate 80 are common ingredient. Common role: enhances the drug's dispersion, stability, and solubility in formulation. Now I would like to discuss intelligent manufacturing techniques. First, intelligent manufacturing techniques is PAT, stand for Advanced Process Analytical Technology. Continuous analysis, using sophisticated analytical method for ongoing analysis throughout the manufacturing process such as spectroscopy. Real-time quality assurance, integrated PAT tools to enable real-time quality control throughout the production process is known as real-time quality assurance. Second, intelligent manufacturing techniques involved monitoring and control in real time. In process monitoring is the use of sensors and monitoring equipment to gather data in real time on vital parameters like fill levels, pressure, and temperature. Closed loop control system, they automatically modified production parameters in response to real time data, guaranteeing consistency and quality. Both machine learning and artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance and process optimization involved in this. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime by using AI algorithms to forecast the need for equipment maintenance. Process optimization, using real time and historical data, machine learning algorithms are used to optimize manufacturing parameters. Now, I would like to discuss side effects involved in this. Injection site discomfort, mild to moderate pain, swelling or redness at the injection site are all too common. Reaction to allergens, some people may experience rare allergic reactions that cause symptoms such as itching or, in extreme cases, severe reactions. Reaction at the systematic level, injection, particularly vaccines, may cause mild systematic reactions such as slight fever, chills, or fatigue, fainting, or dizziness. On rare occasions, some people may feel dizzy or faint, especially after receiving certain vaccines. Now I would like to discuss creams and ointment used topically on the skin. Creams and ointment are semi-solid pharmaceutical products. They are applied locally to treat skin disease like fungal infections or rashes. Ointments are more occlusive and oil based, acting as a barrier on the skin, whereas cream are water based. Now I would like to discuss about manufacturing process involved in creams and ointments. Several key steps are involved in the production of creams and ointment to ensure the final product quality, stability, and efficiency. The following is a simplified overview of the typical cream and ointment manufacturing process. First one is ingredient weighing and mixing. Active ingredients, accurate quantification of active pharmaceutical ingredient based on formulation. Excipients such as emulsifiers, stabilizers, preservatives, and viscosity modifiers are added. Melting and heating, the mixture is heated to help components melt, especially if solid ingredients are used. This result is a homogeneous liquid phase. Third one is emulsification. The oil and water phase of an emulsion are emulsified to create a stable uniform mixture. Emulsifiers aid in emulsion formation and stability. Fourth one is cooling. The emulsified mixture is cooled until it solidifies into a semi-solid consistency or remain a more solid mass. Fragrance or color incorporation is the fifth point. If necessary, fragrances or colors are added to enhance the sensory characteristic of the product. Testing for quality control. Product sampling and testing to ensure compliance with quality standard for factors such as pH, viscosity, microbial content, and appearance. Packaging and filling. Place the cream or ointment in appropriate packaging such as tubes, jars, or dispensers. Labeling that include essential information such as ingredient, dosage instructions, and an expiration date. Sterilization. The final product of certain formulation, particularly those requiring high sterility, may be sterilized. Documentation for a batch is the fifth point. Documentation of the manufacturing process in great detail, including batch numbers, dates, and any deviations from standard procedures. Distribution and storage. To ensure the product stability and shelf life, proper storage conditions are maintained. The finished goods are delivered to pharmacies, hospitals, and other healthcare providers. Now I would like to discuss about latest techniques involved in creams and ointment. In January 2022, several advancements and techniques have been introduced in manufacturing of cream and ointment. First one is nanotechnology in formulation. Nanoscale materials and structures are being used to improve drug delivery in creams and ointments. This can improve skin penetration, bioavailability, and provide long-term release. Second one is continuous manufacturing. Adoption of continuous manufacturing process which have advantages over traditional batch process in terms of efficiency, reduced variability, and improved quality control. Third one is natural and sustainable ingredient. Consumer demand for eco-friendly and skin-friendly product is driving an increase in the use of natural and sustainable ingredient in formulation. Fourth one is biotechnology of microbial organism. Microbial biotechnology is being used to create bioactive compounds for incorporation into creams and ointment, which could provide novel therapeutic effect. Intelligent packaging. Active packaging, the incorporation of smart packaging with features such as sensor to monitor product integrity, temperature and expiration date. Increased shelf life. Increase product stability while in storage. Chemistry of materials involved in creams and ointment. Here are some common categories of material and their roles in the formulation of creams and ointment. Oils and fats. Materials and for the foundation involved oils and fat and hydrocarbons. Oils and fats. These are frequently the primary ingredients providing the structure and texture of the creams or ointment. Hydrocarbons, for example, petroleum jelly, which is widely used in ointments, emulsifiers, surfactants. These substances aid in the formation and stabilization of emulsions in creams, preservatives, parabens, and phenoxyethanol prevent microbial growth and extend product shelf life. Active pharmaceutical ingredients, therapeutic agents. Active ingredients that provide the desired medical effects, such as in anti-inflammatory or antimicrobial agents. Solvents. In solvents, ethanol and water are used to dissolve or disperse various components and achieve the desired consistency. Antioxidants, BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, and vitamin E prevent oxidation and degradation of sensitive ingredients. Sixth one is colorants and fragrance. Fragrance oils add to the product sensory appeal. Colorants, these provide visual appeal as well as product identification. Adjusters for pH, adjust the pH with citric acid and sodium hydroxide to achieve skin compatibility and stability. Co-solvents, propylene glycol, isopropyl myristate improve active ingredient solubility and penetration. Intelligent manufacturing techniques in creams and ointment involved in the production of creams and ointment. Intelligent manufacturing techniques involve the use of advanced technologies to improve efficiency, quality, and regulatory compliance. Here are the some examples of common intelligent manufacturing techniques. Intelligent packaging. Intelligent packaging. Traceability systems, integration of advanced packaging technologies such as barcoding and RFID for supply chain traceability, sensor for temperature integrity, smart packaging that includes sensor to monitor product integrity and storage condition. Advanced process and analytical technology, advanced process analytical process technology, PAT, inline and online analysis. Utilization of advanced analytical techniques such as spectroscopy and chromatography for continuous analysis of material during manufacturing. Data integration. Integration of PAT tools with manufacturing process for real-time quality assurance. Automation of process. Automated mixing and blending. The use of automated systems to mix ingredients precisely and consistently, ensuring uniformly in formulation. Filling and packaging robotic systems. Robotic system for accurate filling and packaging, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. Side effects involved in creams and ointments are irritation of the skin, reactions to allergens, breakouts of acne, photosensitivity, skin thickening, skin pigmentations. These are the side effects which are involved in creams and ointments. Now I would like to discuss about inhalers. Inhalers are tools that administer drugs straight into the respiratory system. asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other respiratory disorders are frequently treated with them. Medication can be dispensed via inhalers as aerosols, powders, or mist. Now I would like to discuss about manufacturing process which are involved in inhalers. The first one is formulation creation. Active ingredient to be delivered in aerosols form is chosen and formulated. Choosing a propellant. Choosing an appropriate propellant, usually a combination of liquefied gases to aid in drug aerosolization. Container preparation. Preparing the canister or container, including applying coating to prevent interaction between the drug and the container. Filling and crimping. Precision filling of the canister with the drug formulation and propellant in a controlled environment. Crimping to securely seal the canister. Next one is integration of valves. Installing a metering valve within the canister to ensure accurate dose dispensing. Assembly of active actuators. Putting together the actuator or mouthpiece, which include the nozzle and in some case a dose counter, providing a secure seal between the actuator and the canister. Quality assurance and testing. Each inhaler is rigorously tested for dosing accuracy, valve functionality, and seal integrity. Random sampling for quality parameters such as drug content uniformity. Packaging the inhaler in appropriate material which frequently include patient instructions and information. For traceability, batch coding and labeling are used. Compliance with regulation. Following regulatory guidelines include good manufacturing processes to ensure the inhaler safety, efficacy, efficacy, efficacy and quality. Now I would like to discuss latest techniques involved in inhalers. First one is inhaler with intelligence. Inhalers data collection platform for digital health, patient engagement, nanotechnology, dry powder inhalers. These simplified points highlight key advancement in inhaler technologies focusing on improving connectivity, monitoring, and overall user experience. Keep in mind that these innovations contribute to more effective and patient-friendly inhaler options. Chemistry of inhale materials. The chemistry of materials used in inhalers differ depending on whether it is metered dose inhaler or dry powdered inhaler or another type. Here are some common components that and their role in in inhaler chemistry. Propellers for MDIS, metered dose inhalers. Because of their low toxicity and environmental impact, hydrofluoroalkanes are commonly used for propellants in metered dose inhaler. Active Next one is active pharmaceutical ingredient, drug formulation. The active pharmaceutical ingredient is the inhaler medical component and its chemistry is critical for efficacy. It could be a bronchodilator or another type of medication. Third one is excipients and co-solvents. Co-solvents such as ethanol, propylene glycol may be used to dissolve the drug and improve its dispersibility. Lactose and mannitol. DPI excipients that aid in the dispersal of dry powder particles. Fourth one is lubricant. Magnesium stearate. This ingredient is used in the production of DPIs to prevent powder aggregation and improve flow properties. Material used in valves, gaskets, and sealants, particle engineering, antioxidants, and stabilizers. These are all involved in chemistry of inhalers. The chemistry of inhalers is a delicate balance to ensure the stability and effectiveness of the drug, compatibility with the device components, and patient safety. The choice of materials and their interaction is critical to the success of inhaler formulation. Now, I would like to explain about intelligent techniques. Manufacturing system with flexibility. Using modular equipment that allows for quick adaptation to different inhaler formulation and production needs. Second one is energy saving techniques, monitoring and optimizing energy consumption during manufacturing, thereby contributing to long term sustainability. Third one is monitoring in real time. Sensors are being used to continuously monitor critical parameters such as fill levels, pressure, and valve functionality. Controlled in Fourth step is controlled in a closed loop, implementing real-time automated adjustments to manufacturing process based on monitored data to ensure product quality. Fifth one is quality by design, using statistical tool and systematic approaches to optimize and maintain consistency in manufacturing process. These techniques improve efficiency, reduce errors, and improve quality control in inhaler manufacturing. They play a critical role in ensuring the final inhaler product safety and efficiency. Now I would like to explain about the side effects involved in inhaler. Changes in voice or harshness. Changes in voice quality are described. Inhaled corticosteroids are common cause. After use, rinse your mouth and throat. Irritation of the throat or dry mouth is also a side effect of inhaler. Symptoms include mouth or throat dryness or irritation. Inhaling medication particles is the cause. Stay hydrated and rinse your mouth after use. So, um, I will explain here conclusion. Finally, with the incorporation of the cutting edge techniques, the manufacturing process of pharmaceutical product include injections, tablets, capsules, and other formulations have evolved significantly. Intelligent manufacturing techniques involve advancements have us here in a new era of precision and efficiency, ensuring the highest standard in the pharmaceutical production. From material chemistry to intricate synthesis pathways, this intricate web of processes necessitates attention to detail. Furthermore, the convergence of intelligent manufacturing techniques like process and analytical technology, PAT, and real time monitoring has propelled the industry to previously unheard of levels of quality control and reproducibility. The incorporation of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms refines these processes further, optimizing formulations and reducing the possibility of side effects. As we delve deeper in the complexity of pharmaceutical manufacturing, it becomes clear that the pursuit of excellence in this field is a commitment to improving global healthcare, not just a scientific endeavor. The continuous exploration of innovation methodologies ensures the pharmaceutical products not only meet regulatory standards but also prioritize patient safety and therapeutic efficacy. The foundation for a healthier and more advanced future lies at the intersection of chemistry, technology, and meticulous fan manufacturing process. And it's all about my topic. Thank you for listening and watching.